Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix black screen on iPhone 16 Pro Max. If we're going through this kind of issue, this is what we have to do. So the one solution that's going to help you guys is all about doing a forced restart. So if you don't know how to do a forced restart, I'm going to demonstrate you that. First, before proceeding to that, you have to know how to do it. So to do so, we have to press the volume up followed by the volume down. You have to press and hold this. Do it. Make sure that you have to do this very fastly. You have to press the volume up, then suddenly you have to press the volume down, then press and hold the power button here unless and until you see the Apple logo on the screen, right? So I'm going to show you that. Let me press the volume up followed by volume down and press and hold the power button over here like this. You have to keep pressing. When you see the Apple logo, you have to remove it. Now we just need to wait so that your phone is actually in the forced restart mode. So it's actually not only a fix for this, forced restart is actually a fix for many kind of an issue that you're facing. So right now what I'm trying to do is just wait so that you have to get into your phone by unlocking this, and you can check with your device. But for some users, when you do a time the forced restart, it may not work. So it means all about you have to keep on trying doing the forced restart for a couple of times, right? And most probably that's gonna help you guys out. And this is what we have to do, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.